let's go to quiz 1, question 6. All right, I've copied the question into Word. So there is the copy of the question. All right, here how the question reads. Kelsey's investment in a dollar yield farm is earning 7.95% compounded semi-annually and will be worth $53,512 6 years and 9 months from now. How much will it be worth 8 years from now? All right, so what you have is it's at 2 different positions in time. Okay, so one is 6 years and 9 months from now. So if we wish, we could do something like this to indicate that it took a little bit of a journey. So 6 years, 9 months, okay, away. All right, the next one is a little bit further on, so we go down further so we can make it look better. So this one is 8 years. All right, so one's at 6 years and 9 months and one is 8 years. Now we should convert this normally as we do into years. So that's 9 divided by 12 plus 6. And that would give us, I think that would give us 6. 6 gives us 6.75 years. All right, so that is all right. Now, this is 8 years from now. So at this particular time here, the present value is what? Well, the present value is equal to 53512. Okay, as indicated above previously is right up here. Okay, now you want 8 years from now, so you cannot just use this 8 years. You have to do something else with it. So we have to go 8 years minus 6.75 years, and that would be equal to 1.25 years. Okay, so let's go 8 minus 6.75 gives us the 1.25 years. Okay, so this is the number that we have to use when we are calculating n. All right, other than that, we are quite well set. Py, Cy, they're each 2, so let's go there. And n, we will use the calculator. Iy is 7.95. And let's go down here. Present value is 53512. Payment is 0, and we are computing the future value. Okay, let's use the calculator now. So second Iy and Py is 2 already. We can just check to see Py is 2 and Cy, they're both 2. Okay, so let's quit second CPT. Now to get the value for n. Now we're using this 1.25, so we go 1.25 second n, and that turns out to be 2.50. All right, then we enter the interest rate, which is 7.95. That's the interest. The present value is next, 53512. Of course, we could put it in as negative. We can put that 53512. We could put that in as negative if we want the future value to be positive. Okay, 0 for the payment. And then we compute the future value. And the future value turns out to be 58989.34. We have to round to the nearest cent. The present value and future value, they must be positive. Okay, we'll enter them as positive in here and round it to the nearest cent. So that means this 5, because this is a 5 in the third decimal position, this will become a 4. So hence the answer is 58989.34. And that should be the correct answer. At least we are hoping that that is correct. So let's enter our numbers. Okay, so 58989.34. Okay, CY compounded semi-annually, so that was 2. And then we come down to N. We can recall N, and it turns out to be 2.50. Okay, the IY value is this number right up here, 7.95, 7.95. Present value would be this number right here, 53512, and the payment is 0. And now we will submit the question, all right, and see what happens. And we have green check marks, so it means our answer is correct. So that is quiz 1, question number 6.